Gunjikar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Kapil Gunjikar Life Vlogs. And today I am going to introduce you to a mobile game, which is a mobile application. The name of the game is Clash of Clans. The abbreviation of it is COC. Basically, this is a mobile game application which I am going to play on my laptop, which I am going to show you on a TV screen attached to the laptop. The Android emulator is BlueStacks, which I am using so that I can record it properly. I can show it on a bigger screen, as well as I can play it with proper keyboards instead of recording a mobile screen, as I don't have a screen recorder on my mobile. That's the reason I am doing this. And we'll see you in the video right now. I'll pause this and I'll try to show you the the TV screen where I have connected all the setup I have done. Stay tuned and watch the entire video. Hi guys, welcome back. As you can see, the TV screen, this is basically attached to my laptop. This is BlueStacks. See, this is BlueStacks over here. I am highlighting it. I have already opened it. You can see the below over here. I have already opened BlueStacks. This is Clash of Clans. I am opening this application on my laptop. I have muted already. See, it just gives my name of the village. I have already muted the sound as I don't want the copyright. This is Supercell, and I would ask my brother to little bit of zoom out so that the entire screen comes in. And yes, this is my village. This is Clash of Clans, and basically this is what I am trying to tell you, introduce the game to you. But since this being a Town Hall 11, see, this is Town Hall. I'll just try to zoom in. This is what Town Hall 11 is. So to introduce you guys with the game, I would like to switch to the lower account which my father has. I'll tell you how. And you can connect all the devices, like all the accounts, to one particular device. Even that is possible. So I'm going to tell you this in the introduction part itself, which makes my life also easier to make you understand or introduce you to the game called Clash of Clans. See, this is my main ID. This requires you an email address basically. This is my brother's second email, the second account. This is my second account. This is a professional email account, and this is a personal email account. Now I see, if you can see over here at the bottom, log in with another ID. So basically what I'm going to do is I am trying to log in with my father's account. Even his account, I am handling it. The only thing is I have not added this to this laptop or this device basically. So that is what I'm going to do. It says welcome back, and I say continue. It asks for email address. Just for the sake of the privacy, I will not show the email address over here. But welcome back guys. As it says, welcome back chief. So we are the chief of this village. One of my resources like gold mine has been upgraded to level 3. In the meantime, while I was logged out, or my father's account was logged out, it was under attack and they lost 9 trophies. So I was like, while I was doing the initial introduction, this is like inbox where you can check the defense log, the attack log, or there are any mails from the clan. This is a clan, happy-go-lucky clan, and Shiva is a co-leader, Warrior is a co-leader. They are like attack in war, and war. This is basically the village name where you could easily search in. I'll try to, even if I zoom in, zoom out, that won't zoom in or zoom out. So this is the village name. This is the level of, I don't know which level is this. And one can search through this hashtag. See, this is a co-leader. Leader is the highest. Co-leader is the second highest in a clan. This is the clan level. This is the name of the clan. if you have to search for a player, one has to search for this hashtag and whatever the alphanumeric unique code or ID is there. You can't search with the name, you can't search with the email address or anything. Here you can check the clan mates, but you can't get their IDs. Basically, all clan mates, and also clan is like it's a group of similar thinking people, or group of people playing Clash of Clans. It gives over here the warlock, send a mail. Only co-leader and leader can send a mail to the entire clan. You can also leave the clan, or you can also find new members for the clan. It gives you only 50 clan mates are allowed in one particular clan. We have 32 clans where my father is a member of this clan. This is like clans. If you want to find some new clans or this thing, this is social. This is like, okay, see, this is like my younger brother Puneet. He has his second account. This is his first account. Who all are friends? Social means who all are your friends. This is what you can check out over here. As I told you earlier, this 33 is, I don't know which level, how it maintains the level. Over here you can check out the troops. There are many troops and spells. This is the design of the village. This is how you can check out. This is the symbol of the village. Town hall and gold mine. These are the trophies. Which trophies, top clans, top players, and clan war league. This is how it is. Over here you can see there is a loot. While I had been, someone attacked my village, there is a loot which they left. The loot card, they were not able to take it completely, which they left. I can collect it, so I'll press this button over here. If you could just a little towards right. After pressing that, it comes over here, loot card. If you press this button as collect or press it with the fingers on mobile, I am doing it on the laptop, so that's okay. Now I'll zoom in just to show you the buildings. One of the main buildings is this. This is town hall, and this is town hall level 6. This is known as TH level 6. There is a small bomb level 3. Then it comes, this is a spell factory of level 1, needs to upgrade. See, it needs to upgrade. This is the builder, and if there is anything in progress, like air sweeper is in progress of upgradation. See, it is upgrading, so it shows over here anything upgrades in progress, suggested new upgrades, new elixir collector to be built, laboratory to be upgraded, and other upgrades. It keeps on until unless you completely finish this and proceed on to the next level. So this is how, and this is a clan castle. Over here you can request for troops in the clan castle, and I need it anyhow. I have to make a multiplayer attack, so I have requested the troops for clan castle. This is a clan castle wherein you can also have a treasury, where since this being a low level clan castle, there is no dark elixir. Right now there is a gold and elixir. Gold I don't have anything. Elixir I think I have 2,25,302 elixir in the treasury of clan castle. This is an army camp level 5, air defense level 1, spell factory level 1, 3 builders. See, these are the builder huts. All 3 builder huts very close to each other. You can easily come to know over here. This is a shield which is active. Right now it is only active for 15 hours 28 minutes. This is gold. This is elixir. I have elixir in my storages. See, this is the elixir storage. This is level 9. This is the gold storage. This is also level 9. This is the laboratory where one can upgrade their troops or their elixir spells. And in the later stages, these are dark elixir spells and dark elixir troops, which I'll tell you in my town hall, because the alien has a town hall 11. Hi, I hope you like this video. If you like this video, share this to all your known, unknown, or everybody, like to known people, unknown people, and I mean like to everybody. and also press the like button. Subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and also after pressing the subscribe button, also press the bell icon, that is notification button, so that you can come to know the latest uploads on my YouTube channel. And feel free to comment in the comment section, and I'm going to get back with the, I think, part 2, part 3, part 4, I don't know how many parts, but this is the first video of Clash of Clans introduction video. There will be part 2, and during that time I think I'll be also recording clan games. There are some challenges which you have to complete. As you can see, I am trying to train some army. No. As you can see, I am trying to train some army for completing the donation, or to give someone a donation while I was recording my outro. This is it. Have a great weekend, or have a great day as well as weekend. Let's see you in the next week, part 2, introduction to Clash of Clans, COC. Bye guys.